Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the Koenig Knives Arius here with me, Generation 4, carbon fiber sprint run. This is the blue one. I think they made 30 of this one and 30 of the red. And it's a beautiful one. It's gonna be around $900 if you can find it. Overall length of this guy is gonna be 8.5 inches. 5.1 inch long handle, beautifully done, absolutely fantastic knife. The finish of this carbon fiber is great. There's the milling going on, which is matching the back. Absolutely beautifully done. Very nice guy. This is a 3.5 inch long blade, nice hollow grind, stonewash bevel and flats are satin finish, beautifully done, guys. Nice belly, nice everything. Ergo's fantastic. The sound, yeah, is this, guys. I cannot get tired of this sound and cannot get tired of playing with this one because the action is so good that you're gonna be doing this forever. It's very pleasant, super smooth, runs on bearings, 4 ounces. Guys, this is 4 ounces and it's a big boy. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full length review. But thanks for watching and stay tuned.